Hello, and thanks for joining us today. I'm Jay Flynn, Director of the Homes for Heroes Foundation. I'm joined today by Otis Pugh. He's the president of Heroes Wildlife Adventures, and Angie Turley, a Homes for Heroes mortgage specialist. So it's my honor to be here with you guys today.
Thank you for having us, Jay.
Yes, thank you for having us, Jay.
Absolutely. So, Otis, as part of the Homes for Heroes Circle of Giving, the Homes for Heroes Foundation provides grants to nonprofits whose missions are to help our heroes in need. Angie and I are honored to present this $5,000 Homes for Heroes grant check to Heroes Wildlife Adventures.
Thank you guys so much. We're going to be able to help a lot of folks.
Awesome. So let's take a few minutes and let's chat about the great work that you guys are doing over there at Heroes Wildlife Adventures. So, Otis, I know you guys are hoping to expand your mission with this grant, but tell us about, what Hero Wildlife Adventures does for our heroes. You and I were chatting a little bit before we went live about that. I know you guys serve the military, law enforcement, EMS, fire, right? So you're touching a bunch of heroes there. So go ahead and take it away.
We do veterans and first responders. And our big claim to fame is we help them get service dogs or service dog training. We just done our 40th dog this morning. For a veteran out of Martinsville, Indiana. We do hunts, fishing, beekeeping. My wife is a master gardener in Morgan County, Indiana. So we have 2 giant greenhouses called high tunnels. They're 30 feet wide by 70 feet long. So we have the kids come over and help plant those, and then we donate all that food to the local food pantries and stuff.
That's awesome.
Some of what we do. Oh, we do antelope hunt in Wyoming and an elk hunt in Wyoming as well. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right. So Angie, big supporter of Heroes. Obviously, you're a member of Homes for Heroes as a mortgage specialist.
I just celebrated my 10th anniversary in
August.
Awesome.
10 years. So tell me why this particular group, you nominated them. Why do they mean so much to you?
Oh, don't make me cry. When I met Dee and Otis a few years ago, we at Fairway we have a nonprofit called American Warrior Initiative, and we do service dogs across the country for veterans. And I wanted to do something more on a local level. So when I found Dee and Otis, I was like, oh my God, look at these angels on earth. Literally, like they took their own money. They have no staff. They're giving back their own time and money to veterans locally. And I was like, I'm doing something for them. So we hosted a golf outing. They had no idea we were doing it.
None.
And so we were able to give them their first kind of seed money, if you will, to start up the 501c3 and to give away their first service dog.
Yeah, because we were just using the wife's paycheck prior to that. And we were still doing dogs and still doing the hunts. And I did 28 years in the Army, so we were just using the wife's paycheck and doing what we could do to help out folks. So.
Yeah, I mean, I literally was like, who does that? You don't find good people like that. And since what has it been 2 or 3 years?
3 years.
3 years. And we have just expanded this thing. And every time they call me, I'm like, yes, whatever yes. Tell me where I need to be. And yes, I got you.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. So Otis, I know you talked about it a little bit. We're so happy that we're able to help you guys out with this $5,000 grant. And I know it's intended to let you guys expand your services there to the hero community. So talk to us a little bit about how these funds are going to be used to support our heroes.
So with these funds, we're going to be able to help some veterans that are maybe struggling with paying some bills or getting a car fixed or something like that. We've been able to help with that. But the other thing, we can use that to reach out to some more veterans and let them know that we have this opportunity to help them other than what we're already doing. We know that when we do the service dogs for them, it does help them. I got tons of examples where a guy or gal could only go to work 1 day a week, and we got them a service dog, and a year later they're 5 days a week, 40-hour weeks with their dog, which allows them to pay their bills and stuff. So with this extra money, we'll be able to continue doing what we're doing, and then those ones that are struggling a little bit, maybe help them get some budget counseling and pay some bills once we know that they've done everything that they can do in their power to pay them, and we can help them get across that line to get on to the next level of life. So.
Wow. Yeah, I always say it's great to give somebody a hand up versus a handout,
Yep.
and it sounds like that's exactly what you guys are doing.
Yep.
Absolutely.
So it's just been a blessing, and we just keep doing what we're doing. We started, it was 5 dogs, 7 dogs, 8 dogs, and this year we just did our 40th dog.
Wow.
So for this year, so it's crazy how
That's awesome.
this thing is taking off. So
Yeah.
and them dogs, they, like I said, they let people get back to work. They put them out in society. They can go shopping now. They can go out to dinner with their families when they couldn't do that before without them. So it's just a huge deal.
That's awesome. So if folks wanted to learn more or help get involved in your mission, where can they go to find out some more information?
You can go to Heroes Wildlife
Adventures.org. Yep.
Or follow us on Heroes Wildlife Adventures on Facebook. Both of those sites we update regularly with pictures and where we're going and what we're doing. So
that's awesome, guys. You guys are doing such great things, and I'm so happy that we're able to help support such a great nonprofit that supports our heroes in need. Otis, Angie, thank you for taking time this afternoon. Thank you for everything that you guys are doing for our heroes.
Thank you to Homes for Heroes. We appreciate you guys. It's absolutely amazing what you guys do across the country too. So this really just fits in with our mission, with what we do. So I appreciate you guys.
Awesome. For those that's tuning in, thank you for joining us to hear more about Hero Wildlife Adventures and its mission of service. Show us a little love, give the video a like, give us a share, leave us a comment. Make sure you tune in the future to hear about other nonprofits that the Homes for Heroes Foundation supports across the nation that help our heroes in need. Take a minute today. I always kind of close. Take just a couple seconds. If you see a hero out and about, tell them thank you. Guys, thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Jay.
Grants from the Homes for Heroes Foundation are made possible by the Homes for Heroes Circle of Giving and its network of real estate professionals who are committed to providing savings to hero groups such as firefighters, EMS, law enforcement, military, active and veterans, healthcare professionals, and teachers. Thank you for watching another Homes for Heroes Foundation grant video about the impact we are making in the hero community with our nonprofit partners. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel. And to learn more about the savings available to heroes through Homes for Heroes, or to learn more about how the Homes for Heroes Foundation is helping heroes in dire need, visit homesforheroes.com.